She came to me totally devastated because she thought she had to give up singing. And the confusing part was that her vocal folds actually looked healthy. This is a journey a lot of singers will relate to. I'm Christine. I'm a speech pathologist, voice therapist, and vocal health and performance coach, and I help speakers and singers build a strong, reliable voice that they can trust, rely on, and feel confident about. The singer I'm talking about, she is a singer, actor, and she had done a lot of shows, and all of a sudden her voice just gave out. She had a lot of tension, jaw tension, her throat would hurt with singing, and she came to a point where she had to cancel her performances. She no longer auditioned, and she was devastated. This wasn't just a hobby for her, this was her future career. And she came to me, again, very devastated because she said, I need help, what can I do? It's very hard when your voice is connected to a dream and you see your dream getting shattered in front of you. The good news is that can all be turned around. So we started retraining her voice. We worked on breath support. We worked on relaxing the jaw, and we worked on her technique, and her voice became so much more stronger, so much more reliable. And she started to get really excited. She felt a lot more confident about her voice. So we tapped in some repertoire, and she was prepping for auditions. And while in her technique, her voice is getting a lot more solid, she was still holding back. And we tapped a little deeper into it. And what was holding her back was the psychological aspect of having had a voice problem in the past. So your body physiologically gets ready before the nervous system fully adapts. What that means, you can build your voice, make it strong again, and make it reliable. However, if the mindset is still there that, oh, what happens if I use my voice again? Will I have pain again? Will it fatigue again? And when that fear kicks in, the body goes back to the old default. And until that's addressed, the voice will continue to hold you back. So what's really important, the turning point here is letting go of that fear of when I start singing, it's going to take me back where I was in the past. No, we have a clean slate moving forward, connecting to how the voice is working now. The singer I was talking about, she is now performing lead roles. She's booking auditions left and right, and she is thriving. And it's such a joy to see how confident she is in her voice now and all the things she can do with her voice now, and the fatigue is gone. And does she have to rest her voice at times? Of course, we all do, because if the body is tired, we just rest it. With her voice though now, the way she approaches it and the confidence she has, she is so excited because now she can pursue her dream and she can pursue her career. And I'm sharing this with you because, again, I hear this all the time. People come to me, they think they have to give up their dream, whether that is for singing, for speaking, and you don't have to give up your dream. You just need to get the answers of what your voice really needs, and then let fear not get in the way and let confidence take over. And if that's something that resonates with you, I'll link the link below where you can get in touch with me and we can talk more about what your voice might need. And if you like this video, click subscribe. There is more to come.